Hello children. Let us begin with the chapter Play with Patterns. Children, in your daily life you must have seen many patterns around you like rangoli, tiles or torans. As India is a country of festivals, you must have seen many decorations in specific patterns during the times of festivals. Now here in this picture you can see the barbed wire. They are following a pattern. You can also see grills of a window in a particular pattern. Then you can see a snake. It is also having a pattern on its skin. Now look around you and list 3 things in which you find some pattern. Children, it can be kitchen tiles, rangoli or border of saris. Hello, I am Pallavi. I live in Jaipur. My city is known for clothes with block prints. Have a look at some of the block print designs made by my mother. She makes these designs by using blocks again and again. One day I got hold of the blocks and made a beautiful design. Children, different kinds of designs can be made by using blocks in different patterns. I have made some patterns of pictures. I have used a rule for each pattern. Now children, we have to find the rule in each pattern. See, a boy is there, then again a boy, a girl, boy, boy, girl, boy, boy. So the rule for this pattern is there is one girl after every 2 boys. Then the pattern is repeated. Now look at the second pattern with arrows. Up arrow, down arrow, up arrow, down arrow. So in this pattern there is one arrow up and one arrow down. Then the pattern is repeated. Now children, we have to practice. Given below are some patterns. Find out the rule for each and continue the pattern. Now look at the first figure. Here, pink pot and blue pots are kept alternatively in series. So, if you have to continue the pattern, it will look like this: blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, and then blue. Look at the second one. AAB, AAB. Here the pattern that is followed in this picture is B is written after 2 A's. So if we have to continue it, we will have to write 2 A's and then a B. Now look at the third pattern. Here there is a single petal, then 3 petals, then 5 petals. Then again a single petal, 3 petals and 5 petals. So in this picture, flower with an odd number of petals from 1 to 5 is repeated. So it would look like this. Look at the fourth one. There is a square with 4 triangles inside it. So in this, the pattern followed is that out of the 4 triangles in the square, one triangle of blue color is rotated anti-clockwise. First, it is on the top, then left hand side, then bottom, and then right hand side. So when it is repeated, it would look like this. Now look at the fifth one. Here there is a semicircle with a figure, yellow colored picture inside it, and the pattern that is followed is the semicircle is rotated 90 degrees or perpendicularly in a clockwise direction. So first it is at the top, then the figure is rotated 90 degrees towards the right, then again 90 degrees towards the bottom, and then 90 degrees towards right again and it reaches left in the same way. So the repeated pattern will be looking like this. Look at the sixth one. Morning, afternoon, evening, night, morning again. So a day is divided into 4 durations depending upon the position of the sun, and it is repeated again and again. Morning, afternoon, evening, night. So morning, afternoon, evening, night. It will be repeated in this way. So children, look around for patterns and see which rule are they following. Everything, even in nature, the flower petals are arranged in a specific pattern. I hope you understood well today's class and had fun while learning it. Happy learning!